Cooking has always been a balance of convenience, safety, and performance. For home cooks who value both healthy eating and effortless meal preparation, this Sensarte white ceramic nonstick saucepan set is an absolute game changer. This set, including 1.5 and 2.5 quart saucepans with lids, is designed for everyday versatility, allowing you to cook everything from sauces and soups to oatmeal and eggs with minimal effort and maximum safety. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Advanced ceramic nonstick coating for effortless cooking. One of the standout features of the Sensarte saucepan set is its high-performance ceramic nonstick coating. Unlike conventional nonstick cookware, this ceramic surface is 10 times harder and 20 times longer lasting, providing durability that withstands frequent use while resisting scratches and wear. The ultra-smooth coating allows food to slide effortlessly, making it easier to cook delicate items like eggs or simmer sauces without sticking. This means you can reduce your oil usage and prepare healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. Safe, healthy, and eco-friendly cooking. Safety is a growing concern in modern kitchens, and Sensarte addresses this with a completely toxin-free design. Free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, these saucepans allow you to cook with peace of mind. No harmful chemicals will leach into your food, even at higher temperatures. This makes them ideal for families, health-conscious individuals, or anyone looking to enjoy a cleaner, more natural cooking experience. Whether you're making a simple breakfast or a complex sauce, every dish is safe, pure, and delicious. Ergonomic design for comfort and convenience. Beyond the coating, Sensarte saucepans are designed for practical daily use. The wood-grain Bakelite handles are ergonomically shaped, providing a comfortable, stay-cool grip that makes pouring, stirring, and handling hot pots safer and easier. The clear tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, maintaining heat and moisture while minimizing splatters. Plus, the oven-safe construction up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to finish recipes in the oven with confidence. Even heating and stovetop versatility. The cast aluminum core of each saucepan ensures rapid, even heating, eliminating hot spots and uneven cooking. The high magnetic conductive stainless steel base makes the pans compatible with all types of stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. This versatility makes the Sensarte set a perfect choice for modern kitchens where adaptability is key. From simmering sauces on the stove to finishing a casserole in the oven, these saucepans deliver professional quality results with minimal fuss. Effortless cleaning for busy lifestyles. One of the most common frustrations with saucepans is cleaning, especially after sticky sauces or milk-based dishes. Sensarte has solved this with a rivet-free interior, which prevents food from getting trapped and makes washing effortless. A simple rinse or wipe with a soft cloth is usually enough to restore the pan to pristine condition. The durable ceramic coating also ensures that even dishwasher use won't compromise the pan's nonstick surface, although hand washing is recommended for optimal longevity. Compact, yet versatile sizes. The set comes with 1.5 and 2.5 quart saucepans, making it ideal for a wide range of cooking tasks. The 1.5 quart pan is perfect for sauces, heating milk, or making small portions, while the 2.5 quart pan handles soups, oatmeal, pasta, or larger family meals. Their compact design makes them easy to store, but their capacity is large enough to handle everyday cooking needs. This flexibility ensures that you always have the right tool at hand for any recipe. Why Sensarte stands out. The Sensarte white ceramic nonstick saucepan set is designed for modern, health-conscious kitchens. Unlike conventional nonstick cookware, it combines superior durability, safe ceramic coatings, and thoughtful ergonomic design to create a set that is as functional as it is stylish. This is cookware that not only performs under daily use, but also enhances the overall cooking experience by saving time, reducing stress, and promoting healthier meals. This saucepan set is perfect for families seeking safe and healthy cooking options, busy home cooks who value convenience and easy cleanup, health-conscious individuals aiming to reduce oil and fat usage, anyone with induction or modern stovetops seeking versatile cookware, gift givers looking for a practical, high-quality kitchen solution. Practical cooking scenarios. Prepare breakfast with perfectly cooked eggs or oatmeal. Simmer a rich homemade tomato sauce. Heat soups or stews, or warm milk for a comforting drink. The nonstick surface ensures nothing sticks or burns, while the ergonomic handles and tempered glass lids make multitasking easier. The versatile sizes make it simple to handle small family meals or larger batches for entertaining. Final verdict. The Sensarte white ceramic nonstick saucepan set offers a rare combination of durability, safety, versatility, and style. With its ultra-durable ceramic coating, ergonomic design, and all stovetop compatibility, it's a perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you are cooking for yourself, your family, or preparing meals for guests, this saucepan set guarantees effortless, safe, and healthy cooking every time. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.